I extend a warm welcome to all of you present here and take great privilege in beginning today's annual concert, where we will witness our children's brilliant performances, in which I'm sure you will take great pride. A kind request to all of you before we start the program. Kindly switch off your mobile phones and visually capture these precious moments which will later have a special place in your hearts. Kindly do not leave your seats when the program is going on. The children will be dispersed from the basement only after the national anthem. Kindly hand over the costumes along with the accessories to the vendor today. Let us applaud and encourage our little ones as they are all set and excited to perform before you. So, let us now sit back and enjoy today's program. Our children have practiced a lot and are eagerly waiting to perform before you, dear parents. Without further delay, I would now like to hand over the mic to our pre-primary children who will take the program ahead.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am, Preeti Ma'am, Rishona Ma'am, and dear parents. We, the students and the teachers of our pre-primary section, heartily welcome everyone present here today to our annual concert for the academic year 2023-24. Saraswati enters human beings with the part of speech, wisdom and learning. So, we seek their blessing by beginning today's program with a prayer dance. शिशु है अज्ञानी माता, इन चरणों का प्यार दे। वीणा वाली तार दे, तार दे, तार दे, माँ सरस्वती शारदे, माँ सरस्वती शारदे।
wonderful performance. I have not seen such a beautiful dance in the whole of Persia. My lamp! It's my lamp! It's so annoying.
Summon me, my master.
Dear genie, the dance was so delightful. It reminded me of my beautiful Jasmine.
Master, are you sure you want to see Princess Jasmine? Quickly then, rub the magic lamp and I will do the needful.
Oh, I miss her terribly. Can you get her for me now?
Anything is possible for me. I can bring the entire Disneyland for you, my master.
All right then. My third and final wish is to see the magical Disneyland and all the pretty princesses.
Oh, your order is my command, master. Watch the magic of Disney unfold before your eyes, master.
There is just one moon and one golden sun, and a smile means friendship to everyone. Though the mountains divide and the oceans are wide, it's a small world after all. La 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 luna hay, solo hay un sol, para todos brilla sin excepción. Aunque el mundo es grande y es muy ancho, el mar muy pequeño.
It's time for us to shine our light, feel the magic reawakening, step into a world aglow. It's like waking up into a dream. The magic is calling, calling, calling us. It's calling, calling, calling us to the place where all of our dreams come true. The most magical place on earth. Answer the call. Yeah, answer the call. Answer the call. Feel the magic everywhere. Bring every dream we dream to life. Share the wonder, share the light. Imagine a world for you and me, where all that we have to do is believe. The magic is calling, calling us to the place where all can take me home, okay? 'Cause when you say you will, it always means you won't. You're giving me the chills, baby, please, baby, don't. Every night you still leave me all alone, Mickey. Oh, Mickey, what a pity you don't understand. You take me by the heart when you take me by the hand. Oh, Mickey, you're so pretty, can't you understand? It's guys like you, Mickey. I want to do, Mickey, don't break my heart, Mickey. Hey, Mickey. Now when you take me by the hoops, everybody's gonna know. Every time you move a little more show. It's something we can use, so don't say no, Mickey. So come on and give it to me any way you can. Any way you want me to, I treat you like a man. But please, baby, please, don't leave me in the damn, Mickey. Oh, Mickey, what a pity you don't understand. You take me by the heart when you take me by the hand. Oh, Mickey, you're so pretty, can't you understand? It's guys like you, Mickey. I want to do, Mickey, don't break my heart, Mickey. Hey, Mickey. Oh, Mickey, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Mickey. Hey, Mickey. Oh, Mickey, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Mickey. Hey, Mickey. Oh, Mickey, what a pity you don't understand. You take me by the heart when you take me by the hand. Oh, Mickey, you're so pretty, can't you understand? It's guys like you, Mickey. I want to do, Mickey, don't break my heart, Mickey. Oh, Mickey, what a pity you don't understand. You take me by the heart when you take me by the hand. Oh, Mickey, you're so pretty, can't you understand? It's guys like you, Mickey. I want to do, Mickey, don't break my heart, Mickey. I love you, Mickey.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. All girls all over the world. Original King Julian for the girls, man. I love how all the girls they love to move their body. When you move your body, you know move it nice and sweet and sassy. Alright? Woman, you cute, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on model. Woman, you cute, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on model. Woman, physically fit, physically fit, physically fit. Woman, physically fit, physically fit, physically fit. Woman, nice, sweet, fantastic. Big she body ocean at the big Titanic. Woman, nice, sweet, energetic. Big she body ocean at the big Titanic. Woman, nice, sweet, fantastic. Big she body ocean at the big Titanic. Woman, nice, sweet, fantastic. Big she body ocean at the big Titanic. Woman, I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. Woman, you cute, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on model. Woman, you cute, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on model. Eyeliner, on your face and make man mud up. Nose powder, on your face and make man mud up. Pluck your eyebrow, on your face and make man mud up. Girl, your lipstick, on your face and make man mud up. Woman, your nice broad face and your nice hip. Make man flip and bust them lip. Woman, you're nice and energetic. Big ship on the ocean at the big Titanic. Woman, a nice broad face and a nice hip. Make man flip and bust them lip. Woman, you're nice and energetic. Big ship on the ocean at the big Titanic. Whoa! Bo, 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 bo. Move it. I like to move it, move it. He like to move it, move it. She like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. He like to move it, move it. She like to move it, move it. We like to move it, move it. They like to move it, move it. You like to move it, move it. 3, 2, 1.
Lue, 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 lue.
yo. Hey, kumanino to golu. Toi hai mai lava ke manino. Hey, kumanino to golu. Toi hai mai lava ke manino. Mai lava ke manino.
Hey you, let us through, it's a brand new start. Oh, come be the first on your block to meet his eye. Make way, here he comes, ring bells, bang the drums. You're gonna love this guy, Prince Ali, fabulous he, Ali Ababa. Show some respect, boy, genuflect, down on one knee. Now try your best to stay calm, brush up your Friday salon, then come and meet a spectacular coterie. Prince Ali, mighty as he, Ali Ababa. Strong as 10 regular men, definitely. He's faced a galloping horse, 100 bad guys with swords. Who sent those crews to their lord? My Prince Ali. Fellas, he's got. Woo! Now the ladies, what he got? When it comes to exotic type mammals, everybody help me out. He's gonna shoot each of you. It's a world-class menagerie. Prince Ali. Heard your princess was hot. Where is she? And that could people is why he got all cute and dropped by. When 60 elephants for real? There's a lion to run and walk. What?
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me Disney princess. Now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming.
A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new
world. That's where we'll be.
That's where we'll be.
A thrilling chase,
A wondrous place for you and me.
Come step inside this storybook. You'll be amazed each time you look and marvel at the magic all around you. As pixie dust falls from a star, it touches you and here you are, one wish away from all you dreamed. This world of wonders, a place like no other on earth. Magic everywhere, all that you imagine. Celebrate the pageant before your eyes. In a world of light, we all come together. Never lasts forever, for all our lives. Celebrating 20 years of joy and laughter, memories we'll keep long after. Sharing all the magic everywhere. Friends come from every corner of the world to feel the magic that is real. Magic everywhere, magic everywhere. All that you imagine. Celebrate the pageant before your eyes. In a world of light, we all come together. Never lasts forever, celebrating 20 years of joy and laughter, memories you'll keep long after. Sharing all the magic, magic everywhere. All that you imagine.
I am sure our dear friends gave you a feel of the magical Disney world. We now take you through the life and achievements of the great warrior and founder of the Maratha Kingdom of India, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, with a musical presentation. So sit back and enjoy the journey of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
जेव्हा जेव्हा धर्मावर ग्लानी येईल, जेव्हा जेव्हा अधर्म वाढेल, तेव्हा तेव्हा सज्जनांच्या रक्षणासाठी, दुष्टांच्या संहारासाठी, धर्माची स्थापना करण्यासाठी मी युगानयुगे जन्म घेईन. अशीच काहीशी परिस्थिती जेव्हा या महाराष्ट्रात निर्माण झाली, 1-2 वर्ष नव्हे तर तब्बल 350 वर्ष हा महाराष्ट्र अंधारात होता. आणि हाच अंधकार दूर करण्यासाठी एका युगपुरुषाने जन्म घेतला.
this.
बालवयापासूनच शिवबांना माँसाहेब जिजाऊंनी रामायण महाभारतासारख्या गोष्टी सांगायला सुरुवात केली, ज्यामधून धर्म अधर्म सत्य असत्य न्याय अन्याय यातील फरक शिवबांना समजू लागला. तसेच शस्त्रास्त्र व शास्त्र या शिक्षणासाठी शहाजी राजांनी अनेक कर्तबगार माणसे नेमली, जसे की दादोजी कोंडदेव, बाळकृष्ण पंत, रघुनाथ पंत, शामराज पंत अशा अनेक कर्तबगार माणसांच्या नेतृत्वाखाली महाराज बालवयापासूनच घडू लागले.
सरर होलिका जले शत्रु राख में मिले हमने, जब जब शमशीरें ताने है माए भवानी. सनन आंधियां उठे शत्रु जड़ से ही मिटे हमने, बात यही मन में ठाने है माए भवानी. खुददार है, अब हर एक दिन स्वराज का त्योहार है. अब ये शीश ना झुके तेरी लाज हम रखे, तेरे चरण की शपथ माँ जगदम्बे है माय भवानी. हम चट्टान से डटे कभी ना राह से हटे हमने, बात यही मन में ठाने है माय भवानी. आंधियां उठे शत्रु जड़ से ही मिटे हमने, जब जब शमशीरें तानी है माय भवानी. हम सब मर्द मावड़े बड़े खुददार हैं, अब हर एक दिन स्वराज का त्योहार है. अब ये शीश ना झुके तेरी लाज हम रखे, तेरे चरणों की शपथ माँ जगदम्बे है माय भवानी.
रायरेश्वरासमोर शपथ घेतली आणि स्वराज्याची गोडदोड सुरू झाली. तोरणा किल्ला घेऊन स्वराज्याचे तोरण बांधले. पुढे मुरुंब देवाचा डोंगर, कुवारी गड, सुभान मंगल, कोंढाणा, शिरवळचा किल्ला, पुरंदर आणि 12 मावळ स्वतंत्र झाला. पुढे राजांनी पराक्रमाने जावळी देखील घेतली, परंतु त्यानंतर स्वराज्यावर ओढवले भले मोठे संकट. ते संकट म्हणजे अफजल खान.
हम लाएंगे शिवाजी को.
आणि त्यानं विडा उचलला, नावतेच अफजल खाने. या नावतेच अफजल खाने जिता जागता जणू सहिताने. कान बोलला छाती ठोकून, शिवबाला टाकतो चिरडून. राजाच्या भेटीसाठी महाराजानं एक शानदार शामियाना उभारला होता आणि अशा या शामियान्यात खान डौलत डुलेत आला, खान डौलत डुलेत आला. सय्यद बंडा त्याच्या संगतीला, सय्यद बंडा त्याच्या संगतीला, शिवबाच्या संगती महाला. राजाला पाहून खान म्हणतो कसा,
आओ आओ शिवाजी, आओ हमारे गले लग जाओ.
खानानं राजाला आलिंगन दिलं आणि दगा केला. खान अभिमान मान्याला, खान अभिमान मान्याला. कट्यारीचा वार त्यानं केला, कट्यारीचा वार त्यानं केला. खर खर आवाज झाला, खर खर आवाज झाला. चिलखत होतय अंगाला, चिलखत होतय अंगाला. खानाचा वार फुका गेला. खान यडपडला. इतक्यात महाराजानं पोटामंदी पिचवा ठेकला, पोटामंदी पिचवा ठेकला. वाघ नखाचा मारा केला, वाघ नखाचा मारा केला. टरा टरा फडलं पोटाला, तडा गेला खानाचा कोटळा. भाई रे भाई रे आला जी जी, भाई रे आला जी जी जी.
अफजल खानाच्या वधानंतर महाराजांनी स्वराज्यवाढीची मोहीमच हाती घेतली. पाहता पाहता पन्हाळ्यापर्यंतचा प्रदेश जिंकून घेतला, कोकणही ताब्यात घेतले. सर्वत्र फक्त विजयच विजय दिसू लागला. हिंदवी स्वराज्य वाढू लागले. अशा या वाढत्या हिंदवी स्वराज्यावरती संकटे येतच होती. पुढे स्वराज्यावर संकट आले ते म्हणजे सिद्धीचे, सिद्धी जोहरचे.
सा युद्ध कर भयंकर.
सबको दिल से जीत के यो चलो, कमंड की पुकार है डरो ना डरो. दल दल में लहोगे बढ़ चलो. कमंड ही तेरे शीश का शिकार है. चीन शीश सबके बढ़ चलो. कमंड से चलो ना डरो ना डरो. सबको दिल से जीत के यो चलो. रक्त गिरेगा, माटी तलेगी, प्यास बुझेगी हो. दुश्मन कटेगा, धरती सजेगी, देश सजेगा हो.
साडेतीनशे वर्षाच्या काळ रात्रीनंतर अरुणोदय झाला. भगवंतांनी दिलेला शब्द खरा झाला. हिंदवी स्वराज्य स्थापन करणारा, यवनांची पीडा नष्ट करणारा जाणता राजा राज्य अभिषेकासाठी सज्ज झाला.
भज उद्धारक राजा. त्वं विद्वानं सत्त्वपालकम् अजिंक्य विक्रम राजा. गुणिजन पूजक त्वं कुलदीपक क्षात्र छत्रधर राजा. त्वं संहारक त्वं संजीवक वन्द्य शिवाजी राजा.
सुजल सुफल जलदा
जगदंब 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 जगदंब
छत्रपती खड्गधर कवडी माळ चापधर वज्र तेज रुद्र स्वर जगदंब जगदंब
जगदंब जगदंब
मृत्युंजय छत्रधर शौर्य यज्ञ शुभंकर युग कीर्ती धुरंधर जगदंब
जगदंब जगदंब जगदंब जगदंब जगदंब जगदंब जगदंब जगदंब
तेजपुंज मुकुटमणि सह्यागिरी कंठमणि सिद्धहस्त मेरुमणि जगदंब जगदंब
जगदंब जगदंब
हिंदू नृप विश्वंभर तांडव कर शिवशंकर पराक्रमी पुरंदर जगदंब
जगदंब जगदंब जगदंब जगदंब जगदंब जगदंब जगदंब जगदंब
अशा कित्येक महावीरांनी पराक्रमाची पराकाष्ठा करत स्वराज्याचे एक एक दगड चिऱ्या पायऱ्या बसवल्या घडवल्या, एक एक बुरुज बांधला गेला आणि आता वेळ आली त्या बांधलेल्या भक्कम गडावर विजयश्री धारण केलेला भगवा ध्वज चढवण्याची.
देवराची याचा प्राण योगी याचा
डोलतय वाऱ्यावर बाय माझी डोल डोलतय वाऱ्यावर डोल डोलतय वाऱ्यावर बाय माझी डोल डोलतय वाऱ्यावर ओ खंडोबा राया परतय मी पाया तुझे भेटीला आनंद केला ओ खंडोबा राया परतय मी पाया तुझे भेटीला आनंद केला डोल डोलतय वाऱ्यावर बाय माझी डोल डोलतय वाऱ्यावर ओ डोंगरची माऊली कोल्यांची सावली दर्यान कोल्यांचे हाकेला घावली ओ डोंगरची माऊली कोल्यांची सावली दर्यान कोल्यांचे हाकेला घावली डोल डोलतय वाऱ्यावर बाय माझी डोल डोलतय वाऱ्यावर
mucha mama, ani ao Santa Tuca. Mucha mama, ani ao Santa Tuca. Ani mazoriच्या पिला लागीन सेल मंडिनाचा. Ani mazoriच्या पिला लागीन सेल मंडिनाचा. Undir mama ailo, ani bate pona liplo. Undir mama ailo, ani bate pona liplo. Ani mazoriच्या पिला न taka yaka kasa hailo. Ani mazoriच्या पिला न taka yaka kasa hailo. Ya ya maya ya, 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 ya ya maya ya. Morgoa teu yaguer, mezcala redondo. Morgoa teu yaguer, mezcala redondo. Tajerek chidu na tata, vakane korun bendo. Tajerek chidu na tata, vakane korun bendo. Takayoko pakalo ceta, burakan dalu tondu. Takayoko pakalo ceta, burakan dalu tondu. अरे पकड्या चोईला काय रे चढून बाहेर रांडो. अरे पकड्या चोईला काय रे चढून बाहेर रांडो. या या माया या, 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 या या माया या. Farar far, zatai ranandu. Farar far, zatai ranandu. Farar far, zatai ranandu. Farar far, zatai ranandu. Rane mata pakle mata raneanku. Rane mata pakle mata raneanku. Farar far,
मला आता पुरी करू. चला जेजुरीला जाऊ, 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 चला जेजुरीला जाऊ. एक आना अबलख घोडा, एक आना अबलख घोडा, त्याची रेशीम खाली सोडा, त्याची रेशीम खाली सोडा. माग बसा मी पुढ्यात बसते, हा माग बसा मी पुढ्यात बसते, जगाला कौतुक दाऊ. चला जेजुरीला जाऊ, चला जेजुरीला जाऊ, चला जेजुरीला जाऊ, चला जेजुरीला जाऊ.
चला जेजुरीला जाऊ, चला जेजुरीला जाऊ.
जेजुरी गडावर जाऊ, जेजुरी गडावर जाऊ, देव मल्हारीला पाहू, देव मल्हारीला पाहू. आपण दोघं जोड जोडीनं, हा आपण दोघं जोड जोडीनं बेल भंडारा वाहू. चला जेजुरीला जाऊ, चला जेजुरीला जाऊ, चला जेजुरीला जाऊ, चला जेजुरीला जाऊ.
ठुमक ठुमक जब हिट जाए तू पहाड़ी बाटोमा, छम छमे पायल घुंघरू बाजने त्यारे खुटमा. ठुमक ठुमक जब हिट जाए तू पहाड़ी बाटोमा, छम छमा पायल घुंघरू बाजने त्यारे खुटमा. लाल त्यार कंगना हाथ में चूड़ी छनहरा, लाल त्यार कंगना हाथ में चूड़ी छनहरा. चुनरी तेरी आए हाय चुनरी तेरी चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा, अरे चुनरी तेरी चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा. शरारा 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 गुलाबी शरारा. गुलाबी शरारा. भली शिड़ाई भली कड़ाई खुटम त्यारा झपकना, भली झूली रा दुई डोरों की सुट पचारा लटकना. हाँ भली शिड़ाई भली कड़ाई खुट में त्यारा झपकना, भली झूली रा दुई डोरों की सुट पचारा लटकना. एक जोड़ी में खर्च त्यारा 4,000, एक जोड़ी में खर्च त्यारा 4,000. अरे चुनरी तेरी आए हाय चुनरी तेरी चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा, चुनरी तेरी चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा, चुनरी तेरी चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा. अरे झम लागे मेरी सुआ रंगीली त्योपारा, झम लागे मेरी सुआ रंगीली त्योपारा. अरे चुनरी तेरी आए हाय चुनरी तेरी चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा, अरे चुनरी तेरी चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा, चुनरी तेरी चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा, चुनरी तेरी चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा, चुनरी तेरी चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा.
മനസ്സോയി പൊക്കന്തി അടിക്ക് മാമനടിക്ക് മത്തലട്ടം കം தவிக்குது மால சந்தம் மஞ்சள் சந்தம் மாத்து அடிக்கும் மங்கள சந்தம் ஓர சந்தம் மோதிப்பி சந்தம் ஓங்கி தட்டிக்கும் முத்திகள் சந்தம் மால சந்தம் மஞ்சள் சந்தம் மாத்து அடிக்கும் மங்கள சந்தம் ஓர சந்தம் மோதிப்பி சந்தம் ஓங்கி தட்டிக்கும் முத்திகள் சந்தம்
పొలం గట్టు దుమ్ములోన పోట్ల గిట్ట దూకినట్టు పొలేరమ్మ జాతరలో పోతరాజు ఊగినట్టు కిర్రు చెప్పులేసుకొని కర్ర సాము చేసినట్టు మర్రి చెట్టు నీడలోన కుర్ర గుంపు కూడినట్టు ఎర్ర జొన్న రొట్టెలోన మిరప దొక్కు కలిపినట్టు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నాటు 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 వీర నాటు 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 కూర నాటు 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 పచ్చి మిరపలాగా నాటు 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 పిచ్చు కత్తిలాగా వెర్రి నాటు 100 वारी जान मैं तुझ पे वार ना, 100 वारी जान मैं तेरे कुर्बान मेरी माँ। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे
आ गई घड़ी है देखो सबसे बड़ी, मुझसे बस 2 कदम पे देखो जीत खड़ी है। मुझे कब से इंतजार था आज की शाम का, अब देखो क्या करता है ये बंदा हिंदुस्तान का, जो किसी के भी आगे झुका नहीं। हाँ मैं हूँ उस देश का, तू बैठ के ले नजारा इस ट्रैवल और बेस का। सीधा चलूं या चलूं ढाई ढाई चाल, मैं खेल मेरा होगा ये देख लंबी रेस का। मिट्टी का कर्ज है मैं मर के भी चुकाऊंगा, तुझे मिट्टी कर दूंगा या फिर मिट्टी में मिल जाऊंगा। जो भी कहा था मैं वो करके दिखाऊंगा, इंडिया से हूँ खाली हाथ नहीं जाऊंगा। मैं जम के पकड़ झाड़ दूंगा, तुझको मैं उखाड़ दूंगा। जहाँ से तू आया है ना वहीं तुझे गाड़ दूंगा। तेरी जमीन पे आज तुझे ही पछाड़ दूंगा, झंडा इंडिया का बेटे गाड़ दूंगा।
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो जय हो, आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो
of India's popular dance. We have witnessed the rhythmic beats, colorful attires, and rich cultural stories that have Congratulations! From the energetic Bhangra of Punjab to the Kalbeli of Rajasthan, each dance form reflects unity in diversity of our incredible nation.
With this, we come to the end of the pre-primary concert for the year 2023-24. I'm sure you have enjoyed watching us as much as we have enjoyed performing it for you. Thank you.
Wow, that was a superb performance by our little ones. They have put in a lot of hard work to achieve this perfection for you. They truly deserve a big round of applause today, ladies and gentlemen. Didn't our children take you down the memory lane with their spectacular performance of the most famous Disney movies? Then, from the magical Disneyland, we traveled back to our very own state, Maharashtra, in which we witnessed the legacy of the great Maratha warrior king, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The final segment were the dances which form an important part of India's tradition and culture, and their importance has always been and will continue to be enormous. We were lucky to enjoy few of India's colorful and energetic dances today. Truly incredible India. Unity in diversity is our strength, and that is what makes our nation great. It is rightly said, East or West, India is the best. Hats off to the children for their high spirit and brimming confidence. Let us give them all a big round of applause once again for presenting a beautiful show just for you, dear parents. I would now like to invite our respected principal ma'am, under whose valuable guidance we at the pre-primary are blooming in full swing, to please say a few words.
Good morning, dear parents. I could hear the applauses, and that gave me a sense of satisfaction that my children are being raised and groomed with absolute strong emotional strength and excellent support from their parents. It took us a month and a half to put this program on the stage with our little babies. As I was watching their perfection, I thought to myself that you work with the children and they are ready to showcase their skills, their academic prowess, and whatever they are absorbing. And that is what HFS is known for. This particular concert was the outcome of the entire school faculty coming together. The entire dance department was there with our children to groom them and to teach them the nuances of the dances. The pre-primary teachers have put in a lot of effort, and this morning has been a very satisfying performance, and I'm sure each and every one of you in the audience have enjoyed and taken back beautiful memories. This is something which we are very happy with our children. And let me tell you, a thought did come to my mind, because when I watched the concerts of the pre-primary section of the other schools, I see the teachers virtually standing in front of the stage and dancing. I see all the teachers on the stage dancing with the children. I wonder if you have noticed that none of the teachers were guiding our children. None of the teachers were dancing along with them. So it was 15 days. 15 days they were left entirely to themselves. We took a back seat and they performed. And that is the confidence that we instill in each and every child. The most beautiful part of the pre-primary section and the most, I would say, a factor that I need to applaud all of you is that all of you cooperated with us and ensured that your child went on the stage. As they get older, I find, especially the secondary section, I find that the parents say, छोड़ना, वो मैथ्स ट्यूशन ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, वो फिजिक्स ट्यूशन ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्या कॉन्सर्ट में टाइम वेस्ट करना? This is something which I realize a mind shift in the parents' mind. And little do they realize that as they get older, it's not how many marks they got in physics or maths or chemistry. It's the confidence with which they walk into the world. And that confidence comes when they are on the stage. When they pick up the mic and they speak. And that is something, dear parents, you must remember even when your child enters the 12th standard. My 12th standards, when they come on this platform and perform, it is an excellent, excellent visual treat to each and every person in the audience. And that is because we give them the opportunity. So grab the opportunities as your children get into senior classes. Every opportunity must be grabbed because it is a learning experience for our children. That is the USP of an HFS child. Absolute oozing in confidence, walking the talk, walking out of the portals of this institution with their head held high and carving a niche for themselves. You have to give them the encouragement and the support. And that's what we as teachers are doing. We have concluded this academic year in a beautiful manner thanks to Rishona Rubin, who ensured that she virtually kept her concerts for the last. So it was the best performance by our babies who stood to the occasion and made us realize that let's all be happy. Let's all take back beautiful memories. So we have the last 12th standard exam happening. 10 standards have virtually finished their exam, and the rest of the children are still writing the exam. But the pre-primary section has given us this message that happiness is the key to being successful and having a good academic tenure. So grandparents, thank you so much for being here this morning. I could see the grandparents virtually enjoying their grandchildren perform this morning. And it is indeed a beautiful feeling when the grandparents see that they have raised beautiful children and beautiful grandchildren too. So God bless all of you. Thank you so much.